Are you guys missing something? Hello?
You decided to leave the nest today, huh? Maybe I should put you back. Let's see what the internet thinks. Alright, dude. I see you got brothers and sisters in there. I'm putting you back. Wow. I'm gonna wash my hands after this. Hi. My name is Kyle. I'm here to save you. Maybe. I don't know. Dang, you look a little beat up, dude. Did your brothers and sisters kick you out? Oh. Let's see if, you wanna go back? Let's see. I'll have to take you back. Please don't poop on me. Oh, he's like shaking. Oh. Get in there.
Back to your bros. Come on, Boo-Boo. Come on, Boo-Boo. There you go. There he goes. Is he happy? Does he look happy? Can't really see. Can't see anything.
He's back though. Hopefully living the best of his life. We're getting kicked out again soon. I hope not.